everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Nicole from my Pandora Charmed Life. Today's video, I feel like, is a pretty delayed video. This is part 3 of my winter sale items, or the items that I got on sale after Christmas. This haul is a little bit different because thanks to one of my Instagram friends, Cindy Bug, thank you so much. She told me about a website that had 50% off of their selected items. And the reason why she even told me about it is I recently made, in my stories on Instagram, I put my wish list items on there, and I had a retired item on there that I've just been in hopes I'd find. And she's like, hey, this website has it and it's 50% off. And it's listed on Pandora's list of authorized online retailers. So this haul is going to be what I got on the 50% off sale through Battler.com. The great thing with this one is, again, it was everything that they had from Pandora. It wasn't just those selected items. Whether that was an error or what's going on with Battler, I don't know. But I definitely took advantage. So stay tuned and take a look at what I got. So the charm that brought Cindy to tell me about this website is the two-tone letter N charm. This has been on my wish list since the beginning of time, and it's what I put on Instagram as something that's on my retired wish list, and it's the two-tone N charm. I just love the classic old two-tones that Pandora has. I love the oxidized detailing inside that really makes those letters pop. So this N is luckily why I learned about this website to begin with. I styled with it right away, so it's already on a bracelet. The next charm that had been on my wish list is the dark purple shimmer Murano. So I love all these shimmer Muranos. The dark purple one is one that I hadn't been able to find, and I think they are so beautiful. And again, I've already started with this one as well, and I've partnered it with the lighter purple Murano. But this dark purple shimmer is so beautiful. I just love the way these Muranos look. This was part of the 50% off sale, so hold on, backing up. So the letter N obviously was not part of the 50% off sale because it's long retired. This one was, but wasn't available in my store. The next charm that I was able to find is Elsa's dress. So Frozen is just one of those movies that Presley and I like to watch. I actually don't like the Princess Anna dress, but I do love Queen Elsa's dress. So I grabbed one of hers. If you look closely at the dress, she has some of her detailing right there. And of course, there's Elsa on the top, like all the princess dresses do. One of the charms that has been really hard for me to find is the Fairy Godmothers. It's Aurora's Fairy Godmothers charm, and this actually has two meanings for me. One, it does remind me of Sleeping Beauty and the Disneyland trip, walking through Sleeping Beauty's castle, which I hadn't done thanks to Emily, Fashion Storyteller's Disney, what was her fashion diaries in Disney. She kept talking about walking through Sleeping Beauty's castle, and so I finally did, and you got to see the story of Aurora. And then on a second note, this charm has a meaning. It's kind of like an inside joke between one of my friends, and she calls me her fairy godmother, so I think that's pretty awesome, and a reason why I had to get this charm before it disappeared. I can't recall if the brilliant bow was part of the original 50% off sale that Pandora was hosting, but it was on sale on Battler, and I've always really loved this charm. It's a pretty big heart, and it has a bow wrapped around it. I just love those little details of it. The clip that they came out with during this release was one of my favorite clips, so while this was on sale for about $17, I had to pick it up. Now this one was such a steal. It is the Snow White clip, and the Snow White clip was definitely not part of the after winter or the after Christmas winter sale, but Battler did have this on their website for 50% off. I did try to pick up two, but this must have been the last one that they had because it only allowed me to put one in my cart. So I'm really thankful I was able to get this at 50% off. Okay, and last but not least, I was able to get the Shimmering Mickey Portrait Clip for 50% off, you guys. Kind of the same situation with Snow White. I was only able to put one of these in my cart. And for those of you who may or may not know, Presley's 4th birthday is coming up, and this is on her wish list. She already has many, so I'm so excited to surprise her with the Mickey clip, and I could not believe I found it for 50% off. Look how gorgeous this clip is. Like, I just love the way this CZ's on Mickey's head sparkles, and I can't wait to give this to Presley. She's gonna be so excited. So there you have it. That is the final part of my 3-part series of what I took advantage of for the 50% off sale. I'll have to say I took quite a bit advantage of these sales, and they're really helping hold me over until I get like a really good promotion coming. I'm gonna do really good this year. That's my goal. Anyway, what did you think of these items? What was your favorite? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and click that little notification bell. That way you know the next time I post my next video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time.